Independent girl, them pussy offshore. Money have to spend, girl, you have to make sure your body gone on tour.
Yo, DJ, back that up. Yo, viewer, subscriber, it's your boy Djstullaa. We say X amount of shout out goes out. Beenie Man drop him summer tune called Offshore. I mean, tell you, viewer, subscriber, it dep on flame. Me I say, yo, DJ, run it.
One color to your skin, no polka dot. Look how you bleach out smooth, you used to black. Now you slim down, girl, you used to fat. The new body where you have, you pay for that.
Buckler, DJ, stop it. Moses, make you go so hard, fam. Viewer, subscriber. When you hear Beenie Man I tell you about Offshore, Beenie Man I tell you about some big body girl. Viewer, subscriber. Beenie Man I tell you about some sexy body girl. Viewer, subscriber. Beenie Man I tell you about some stiff titty girl. But you know what? Before we go down in a hit, we are going to run the intro. So walk with me. Yes, my viewers, it's your boy Djstullaa. We say if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, comment, share, or you can press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it, or you can catch us on the gram at Djstullaa. Say nothing more, your boy want.
Regular bunker, your pussy offshore. All top ball and ready for come score. Bills off your pay, so you have to make sure. Money off enough flights and on the seashore.
Viewer, subscriber. Make we made span what Beenie Man say. Beenie Man say, one color to your skin, you know polka dot. You bleach out nice and smooth, you used to black. Now you slim down, you used to fat. The new body where you got your work for that. So this a Beenie Man I try tell us say, yo, and that make this a girl and now come offshore, you see me? Because she go a gym, she put in the work, she bleach out, cause Beenie Man I make you know say, yo, enough girl bleach out them, you know. And enough girl have different tatted color upon them, you see me? But that's why Beenie Man right now I tell her say, yo, my girl, you used to black, but now you in the white segment, you see me? So at them kind of thing that Beenie Man I tell you, Beenie Man say you slim down, you used to fat. So Beenie Man I make you know say, yo, right now this a girl that come 100%. She sure, you see me? She her body dep on it. Her body a say something. Her body fire. And at them thing that Beenie Man I make you know say, yo, if I money if spend, money I spend. And if I pray them I pray, make them go and pray.
Girl, them love it hardcore. Buy some high grade at the Kaya store. Free fuck a rape, girl, you never think poor. Tell some boys say your pussy offshore.
Viewer, subscriber. Beenie Man don't make sure tell us say, yo, uptown girl them love it hardcore. So them kind of gyal don't want no idiot, man. Them gyal the comfy player. You see me? Them gyal don't want you go and like say you want play with them, go and like say you know you want thump them up like simple way. So Beenie Man I tell us him go pick up some weed and come back and set the mood, set the place. You see me? So them kind of gyal now, when you go hard pan them, you have to go Rocky Balboa pan them. You have to go Mike Tyson pan them. And them kind of gyal saying because Beenie Man don't make sure tell us say, yo, them gyal everything where them do it offshore. You see me? So if I work, you have to make sure say it dep on a level. I mean the highest level.
And Victoria anyway. As we said on over here, me body a stay. When me check in a Czech Republic and Moscow. Offshore thing and no public. All girl when you bow up, you go check them gold with.
Buckler, viewer, subscriber. Beenie Man I tell us you some European type of body girl him a talk about. Cause the man I tell us him go down a Moscow, him go a Czech Republic. Him man I make you know say when him check in a public house, that mean I know look a simple hotel him a talk about. And that the man mean cause no have to read between the line when the man a talk, you know. Cause the man I make you know say, yo, I don't know. Public house. So the man I make you know say, yo, when him go to Moscow or him there in a Czech Republic, and them type of girl, the offshore type of girl, them Victoria's Secret kind of girl, them Beenie Man I talk about. You see me? And a them thing them in love with Beenie Man, cause you know say when Beenie Man always dep on a tune, you know say Beenie Man I give you the 100. Beenie Man I make you know everything. And that me love with Beenie Man. Plus when it come to summer tune, Beenie Man kill that.
More breasts to your chest, your bumper cock. More hips to your hips, your lips so fat. Downtown girl, uptown aristocrat. Yeah, me love it when I bend up like an acrobat. whatever you want, me pay for that. Take a flight on the plane and sail the.
You a subscriber. From me get the tune, I mean, I stop lick it in the Benz. You see me? Every time me touch the road, you know, say, yo, that Beenie Man, you have a job. And when you know, say, especially when you splurt with that catty, you know, say, yo, it turn up hard in the Benz. You get me? But me say, yo, viewer, subscriber, it's your boy Djstullaa. Don't forget to like, comment, share, or you can press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it. Thank you to listen out this review. If you do, don't forget to press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it. We not say nothing more. It's your boy Djstullaa. One.